Hey, I'm just here checking to see if you opened up that email I sent on Monday. And I know a lot of you did because I saw the open rates, but I'm kind of confuddled why you didn't reply with a simple yes or a no. And you might be saying, what are you talking about? I forgot. That was Monday, Weezy. It is now Thursday. Or at the end of the week, whenever you're watching this, the time has passed. People forget quickly. I understand that. But I came out with a survey and I asked you guys about a video editing workshop where I will show you how to make a little bit more action into your videos, how to do a simple edit into your videos with a free video platform. You don't have to pay for it and you don't have to be know how to even edit because all of it is taught in this workshop. If I develop it, if you respond. So I really need to know if there is interest in me developing this workshop on video editing and how you can, in this particular workshop, it would be more geared towards the short form video, more towards gaining action in your short form videos. And you're going, what is a short form video? Maybe you don't know what a short form video is. Probably a lot of you do. But for those who don't, a short form video would be your reels, actually your stories, TikToks, and it would also be YouTube shorts because we really do want to do videos and you want to use these reels and things because it's not just to the people whom already follow you, but you can, if you do videos well, and they're edited right, they will get pushed out in the algorithms to other people as suggested video. And we want to get into that stream so that people will watch our videos and then maybe start following us. And better yet, make other meaningful connections like sales or signups, different things like that. That's why it's important to use video because we know that more people who watch video convert sales. So anyway, if you have any doubts about your abilities, don't because I'm a really good teacher and I'm one of those teachers I try to be as thorough as I can, being step by step intentional of where I'm pointing my mouse, where to find the buttons, what to click on so that you can follow along with the video tutorials that I prepare. But this workshop would be recorded live, or anybody who responds to this email is going to get the early bird special. Then, and you will be the only ones to get the early bird special, everyone else will have to pay full price. Just write yes to the reply to this email if you want in, or let me answer no. Either way, it's an answer. It lets me know where you guys' heads are and what you're interested in. And if you have other ideas of workshops you would like me to have, please let me know in with that reply. Um, because it helps me help you keep engaged with what I have to teach. Because I do know a few things about video production from the very beginning of the planning stage all the way to the edits and the uploads. So that is what you learn when you come and use my teachings here on Weezy. So go ahead and reply to your email and let me know where you stand. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.